Welcome to Saraswati Temple, one of the most iconic cultural and spiritual destinations in Ubud, Bali. Dedicated to Devi Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, art, and wisdom. This temple not only offers spiritual peace, but also the beauty of the traditional Balinese architecture. The most mesmerizing part of Pura Saraswati is the lotus pond that adorns the front area of the temple. The lotus flowers blooming elegantly on the surface of the water give a peaceful and beautiful impressions, creating a soothing atmosphere for the visitors. Every corner of the temple is filled with intricate carving that reflects the stories of Hindu mythology and Balinese spiritual life. Pura Saraswati was designed by Agustin Lampad, a famous Balinese artist, and becomes a meaningful work of Balinese classical architectural art. The pathway leading to the temple is adorned with small fountains and lotuses, directing the visitor's step to enjoy the beauty and silence. Pura Saraswati is not only a place to pray, but also a place to contemplate and appreciate Bali's rich art and culture. With a blend of natural beauty, magnificent architecture, and spiritual ambience. Pura Saraswati become one of the must-visit places when you are in Ubud. Enjoying the serenity and the beauty of this temple is a soul-touching experience. So let's enjoy an immersive experience at Pura Saraswati, a place where art, culture, and spirituality come together. Thank you for exploring Saraswati Temple with us. See you on your next spiritual journey on the Island of God.
Start your next trip with Bali Sundaram Shuffle!